Today I am explaining about my project and detail about how it works and how it will give output. I am using Visual Studio for that. First I will show the default code and how it will run. It will show the output in Google Chrome itself. It is that default code means home page. This is the home page for that. These are those. It having home, admin login, client login, user login, register, and that after that I am showing that admin home means how admin will be. This is the admin home. In admin home we are having identify omics, medicine and sign out. In admin home we can what type of omics. Suppose we want to know about this Satish, then we have to start. Then we will having what type of bacteria is having, and what type of medicine he has to take, that and all we are having. After that these are that drug treatment means what are the levels, means in blood test what type of are there, and how much it will have, that and all we are having. After that it will shows that useful bacteria, harmful bacteria here, and that how much and how much it having low or high, or how much percentage it having, it shows. And after that it will complete. That's all admin will do. Admin means that doctor. We will say that admin means doctor. After that client means that patient. In that patient he is giving that report, blood sample report and body temperature report. In that he will enter that whatever he is having. Karthi, we will see that his name means his record, what he, these are the record of that patient. In patient we are having that ID, name, age, mobile number, address, blood pressure, protein catabolic, and gender, date of birth, email, blood pressure, heartbeats, everything we are having. Then we have that blood, that what are the capacities of what here is having in blood test, those and all are here. And that the what he have to take, which type of drug, which type of medicine he has to take, that and all that and all kept here. After that here are the what type of bacteria in his body, and what type of medicine he has to take for cure. That's it. And after that we will go for patient record, or we will go for patient record. How it will work means patient basic details stored successfully means patient entry. We have to enter a patient name, like suppose I am giving Kriti, okay, and she is a female. What and all they need, that and all we are giving. um, these are as well as blood pressure. Suppose she is having normal and blood pressure she is having low, heartbeats are normal, protein catabolic is high, then we have to submit this form and patient basic details stored successfully. Then here it will show that details of that patient. After that we can start. These are the details which we entered before, and start test. Then here we have to enter the details. Suppose we are giving 50 and blood urea LFG and borosic something like 25, magnesium 60, 55, and non-HDLXM is normal, LDL cholesterol is high, HDL cholesterol is normal. These are the details that we have given. Then next, these are the body temperature and saliva. Temperature should be, we are giving as 99. Seldom is suppose we are giving 65. These are also we are giving 69. And fever, no, yes, we are giving S. Finish. Then testing completed. Then sign out. Now we will go for client login, client ID, client password. Then we have to give in that by drug treatment. Now we will get that Kriti. Here is that which we recorded before. These are the details, and these are the what we have she has, and these are those. And after that she is having this, what type of fungus she is having, what type of medicine she has to take. That's it. Complete. After that registration, that and all we have shown, and user home, this is the user home. By name we can search it. Suppose I am giving my name, search, then it will show what is user home. Here is the Swati. Then start test now. Next, blood ID, that and all, and these are the medicine for me. That's it. After that we are using SQL server here. In SQL server also the code will be there, that turned out. In SQL server it will run connect. I am showing that patient record. These are the patient record which we have assigned, means index ID, patient ID, patient name, first name, last name, gender, age, date of birth, mobile number, email, address, that blood pressure, diagnostic blood pressure, heartbeats, protein, calorie, these and all we have given. This is the code for that, and this is for patient record, and this is for that blood temperature. These are we already registered what we have, and this is that biomarkers, means what type of bacteria or virus we are having. That's it.